Good morning. My name is Osegu David Keller. I'm a student with BYU Idaho, online student. Okay, so I'm here to take you on a tour on my API documentation, functionality, deployment, database, security, architecture. Okay, so let's start with architecture. A normal web app goes with MVC, model, views, and controllers. So I have my controllers here, I have my models here, and then the contacts, the views. Yeah, they actually put the views here because it's not a front end. We're actually running with MongoDB, so the views is coming from MongoDB. All right, so I'm here to take us on the Swagger documentation, the API documentation. So we'll check it via the .rest. We'll check it via the .rest, and we'll also check it via the local host, and we'll also check it on render. All right, so let's get going. So this is my .rest. Yes, I documented everything. This is the code to get all contacts. So let us send the request. Let's see. You see, so it got all contacts. This is 1 2 3 4 4, right? So this is 4. So we'll be adding more. Yes, and then this to get contact by ID. Let's get this particular ID, and this particular ID is David Osigwe, D081 and all that. So let us create a new contact, right? Let us send the request. Now we are creating a new contact here, and we have gotten the new contact, and here we have a new ID. Now watch out, mark this ID. Now let us get all contacts again. You will see that it has updated. So we have 1 2 3 4, and now we have 5. You see, so that means the creating new contact works. And then let's try to update a contact. Let's use it via this part that has been updated. I'm doing this on the local host on my .rest test run. So let's update it again. Let us be sure that it works. So let me update it. Updated at gmail.com, right? Let's do it this way. Sorry, I'm rushing. Yeah, so let's send it again. Remember, this is it. Remember, this is the ID. Understand that here it was bearing updated at example.com, and I just changed it to at gmail.com. Let's send it and let us see. It has updated at gmail.com. Let us get it again. Let us get all contacts again, shall we? Yes, let us get all contacts again. You see, updated at gmail.com. So this is to show that everything is working. And then let's try to delete a contact here. Let me delete this one. That's someone. Let's run it, and then bear in mind that we will not be able to see this again. So let's delete. So let's get all again. You see, we can't see it again. Now we are back to 4. We can see it again, meaning that both the delete, the put, the post, and everything is now working. Now the get all is to get every of the contacts. The put is to update. The post is to push to create a new contact. The delete is to delete a particular contact by ID. So that's just we just did. And then let us actually check out our documentation, and this is Swagger UI. Thanks to VS Code, we can actually see it from here. So let's check our API status, shall we? Yes, let's check it out. Let's try it out. Execute. So here we are, and we are having this. The response is 200, and we are having this. And then let's try to get all contacts. Let's try it out. Execute. Let's try it out. Now, what the Swagger UI documentation helps in doing is, it also helps you as a developer to test run what you just did. You understand? By giving you the documentation of everything that you just did. So this is 1 2 3 4 is now 4, right? So let's actually create a new contact. Yeah, this. Let's use the post to create a new contact, shall we? Let's try it out. So here, let's say the first name is going to be Nkemjika, and we are going to have Obigwe. Caleb at example, no, Nkem at example.com. Favorite color, Argentina, and birthday should be 1990. And let's execute. So here it has already updated. It has already updated. You see, it has updated. So let's go back here. This using the GUI here. Let's go back here and get all contacts again. Let's execute and get our contacts again. David Adebayo, Caleb Osigwe, Nkemchika Obigwe. You see, so it's working. This for the local host. So let's go on our host. So this is render. I opened it here, and then let's go over here. This is slash API dash docs. Let's see it. So we are here to test run our offline is working. So let's try it out. Execute our API status, and it's 200, which means it is okay. Yeah, and that's mostly what we are asked to do here. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. So this is it. You see that Nkemjika actually updated even as much as I did it offline. The reason is because whatever it is that I'm doing is being recorded on the MongoDB. You understand? So this is my MongoDB. Let me browse the yeah. So this is my dashboard. 41. Look at it here. Contacts. So let us see. So this is Promise David Adebayo, Caleb Osiwe, twice here, Nkemchika Obigwe. So this is it. This is everything that we are asked to run here. I've been able to show the deployment. Yeah, it was deployed on render. That's why we were able to view it live on render. It was the API functionality is working very well. All of them is working very well, and the database, of course, you can see that the database was gotten, the contacts were gotten from the database, the security. Of course, you cannot see my API here. You can see my API here. You cannot see my MongoDB URI here because it is being added in my .env, and my .env cannot be seen in my GitHub repo either. So the architecture is also very good. So thank you for doing this with me.